A heated discussion made its way on social media about the presence of cough serum in Covaxin. The government came out with a clarification stating that the COVID-19 vaccine developed by the Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech did not contain a newborn cough serum. Amitabh Sinha, the Science and Technology editor, explains it all.
Cough serum is not present in the vaccine, and that's what the government also said in a very detailed clarification. Cough serum is not present in the vaccine. It's not one of the ingredients of the vaccine. Cough serum is used during the development process of the vaccine, and cough serum is not the only animal ingredient that is used during the manufacture of the vaccine. Various other animals have been used historically during the production of different kinds of vaccines for different diseases. In this particular case, we are talking about cough serum, which is used as what is called as growth medium during the production of Covaxin. Cow is just one of the animals which is used for these kind of purposes. Horses have been used in the past. Sheep has been used for other kind of vaccines. We have goat that has been used for other kinds of vaccines. Basically, the growth medium needs certain ingredients which will help the virus survive and multiply. These animals, the blood of these animals have some of these ingredients, some of these chemicals, the proteins that are required for these viruses to grow and multiply. So that is the reason for having these ingredients during the manufacture process. So that's exactly what has happened here as well. Cough serum was used as one of the ingredients in the growth medium that was prepared at the laboratory. It's a fairly normal process. It happens with every vaccine. Different kinds of proteins are needed, different kinds of chemicals are required. And in this particular case, it was the serum of the calf that was used. What the government has clarified and what is generally very well known in the vaccine circles is that this growth medium doesn't become part of the vaccine itself. The vaccine, after having grown and extracted, it goes through several steps of what is called the purification process. And this purification process is not only because only to rid it of the calf serum in this case, or other chemicals that might be present. But there are several, during the course of its normal manufacturing process, it goes through several steps. And in those several steps, everything that is not an integral part of the vaccine is washed out, right? Including the calf serum in this case. So every other chemical also, which probably at some point of time would have been used for certain purpose, they would be washed out, and only what is there in the vaccine is finally extracted and put in the vaccine. So the calf serum is not essential to the vaccine. Calf serum was only in the growth medium that would be washed out during the purification process. The vaccine that is injected inside our bodies actually contains the virus itself. In this particular case, there are other ways of producing a vaccine as well. So different ways of producing a vaccine means you use different substances, and a lot of them contain the virus, either live virus or what are called inactivated, which is a dead virus. And this virus is injected into the body so that the body identifies the enemy and triggers an immune response, right? So there are various ways of making your body identify the enemy. And in some cases, a live virus is infected. In some cases, dead ones. In some cases, only a part of the virus, just the genetic code. In some cases, just the protein of the virus is injected into the body. So whatever is the unique identifier that is injected into the body, so that the body identifies that this is an enemy and has to fight it, and that's how it triggers an immune response. Right now, that virus which needs to be injected into the body as part of the vaccine, that needs to be grown somewhere. And particularly virus, does not survive on its own. Virus needs a host to multiply and survive. In a case like this, in a case like the pandemic, the host is the human body itself. But otherwise, they find other hosts, other organisms, different animals or microorganisms. They serve as hosts at different points of time. So this virus does not survive on its own. In the laboratory, when it has to be grown, it has to be provided an atmosphere in which it can grow. And the scientists do that by, preparing what is known as a growth medium, in which the virus is grown, and then the virus gets extracted and it is produced, it is put in the vaccine, and that vaccine is used for injecting people. So of the many things that go into the preparation of the growth medium, one of the things in this particular case is calf serum, which is the blood actually of a newborn calf. I don't think there is any area, any concern over that. It's very normal vaccine manufacturing process, which involves products like this. I mean, you can go to any of these authentic websites, the Food and Drug Administration. You can go to WHO websites and see how these vaccines are manufactured. You can also see at what point of time what kind of chemicals are required and what are their uses. And these are fairly standard processes, and everyone in those circles, everyone who's associated with the vaccine manufacturing, they know about it. There is absolutely nothing untoward that has happened in the production of Bharat Biotech science. I mean, this pandemic, apart from other challenges that people have faced, one of the big challenges regard to misinformation, sometimes deliberate, sometimes not so deliberate, but still the misinformation that has surrounded this pandemic. I mean, that's astounding, the kind of misinformation that has been spreading, but that's not something that's new, and there's very little that you can do about it. There always will be people who would be putting out unverified information. I think it's more the responsibility on the consumer side to be to be doubtful of every information that they get. I think we need to be much more responsible on that count.